Now, rainfall levels in December were too low to reverse the dry spell, and counties in arid and semi-arid lands will bear the brunt of the drought. Kenya's Devolution Secretary, Mwangi Kiunjuri, however, says that the government has put in place measures to cushion Kenyans from the effects of the drought. Linda Ogutu explains.
In Kenya are worse now at the end of the short rains seasons than they were before the season began.
The admission by Devolution Cabinet Secretary Mwangi Kiunjuri that Kenya is facing tough times ahead. The several regions in the country will experience drought and its effects will not come to an end soon.
The challenge of climate change is becoming a reality. There are those who thought it was a hoax, but it's becoming a reality.
The National Drought Management Authority says the short rainy season that occurs around December was far too brief and weak to have any meaningful impact on recovery. As a matter of fact, no county reported normal rainfall in December. A vegetation deficit is inevitable. But for many, this is a problem that seems to recur after a few years. The situation is especially dire in Garissa, Isiolo, Kilifi, Lamu, Mandera, Marsabit, Samburu, Tana River, Turkana and West Pokot counties. Without urgent and appropriate action, Kenya could see a repeat of the drought situation in 2011.
There are also pockets of other non-ASO areas that are affected. Places like parts of Murang'a, Kakamega, Homa Bay.
Kenya has been experiencing severe drought since the short rains failed last year, and reports indicate a worsening situation. Several counties are already reporting severe food shortages. Pasture and water for livestock have dried up. Water taps are dry, and in most areas, rivers depleted. Already, the depressed water levels have led to water rationing in Nairobi. The Kenya Power and Lighting Company has warned of decreased capacity of its hydro sources to generate sufficient electricity.
This means unless we develop the Northern Collector Tunnel to recharge in Ndakaini, to bring in more water when we have rains in April or afterwards, then we'll still have water shortages in Nairobi.
With rains only expected around April, the situation will no doubt get worse as the government strives to cushion its citizens from the effects of the drought. Linda Ogutu, KTN News.